one of my first videos. Not videos. Well, I'm going to be trying these MRE things, you know. And see what we got. We got cornbread stuffing. Okay, cornbread stuffing. It came with strawberry jam. That looks pretty delicious. And we got Cajun style rice with beans and beef sausage.
Uh-oh, Spinunios.
And I believe the lights just went out.
Someone.
You broke my cup. Wow, we were doing a video. Where's my light stuck?
Oh my god.
My life just keeps getting better and better. Can you just pull the friggin' thing so I continue this? Oh, God. We just screwed this up, and now YouTube's gonna be laughing at us. That's just what they're. Jason Statham over there.
Jason Statham.
Quit talking about my boyfriend like that.
Mama, put this on you.
You can put Jason Statham on me.
Oh, God!
Oh my god. You are the coolest mom in the world.
You also invited Jason Statham, man.
We're so. Oh my god.
Oh, I'm just trying to make a video. Why is my arm stuck so hard? Okay. No, that's how
the
I'm
vacuum
interrupted by vacuuming. I shall continue. It was Cajun style rice with beans and beef sausage. Then
Gotta love that beef.
gotta love that beef. And we got fig bombs. And I'm gonna need a bit of water. It needs to be saturated. You don't need to film that. But, whatever. Okay, instructions shouldn't be too hard. This says just pour water in it. Don't want it to overfill to this much. And then you just bend it over the food.
Dude, you.
I want to hear this. Guess I don't know if I put the whole thing in there. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, I put the whole thing in there. All right. Well, shouldn't be too hard. Oh my gosh, you cut it. Gosh, why do they make things so difficult? God, Jason's just awful. Alright, well, why does everything have to go bad when I try to make a simple video about me trying out an MRE? Okay, well, just gonna pour the water in there. Which is weird.
That's not water, that's OJ. OJ Simpson.
Shut up. Gotta make me spill the water.
And
I gotta be concentrated, okay?
Jason.
Will you shut up about Jason Statham? You just really ruined my life there. Okay, so you have to put it back in the container, as you see.
Come on.
Ah, it's
You
getting
can
hot.
do it.
Ah, it's burning! Ah, it's burning! Ow! Get in there!
Are you following directions?
Yes, it tells you to stuff it in there like a turkey.
Yeah.
Oh, come on! Mom, stop it! Get out of here! God! Oh my gosh. Why is all hell break loose with me? Well, your freaking food ready.
It's been ready for like an hour and a half.
Your pizza.
You're a crappy. Ew. Something's wrong with the pepperoni.
It's just cooked. It was frozen and now it's
It
cooked.
doesn't look cooked.
Gosh, it's just pepperoni.
It kind
It's
of
not
looks
supposed
like
to
a
be
person
freaking-
like,
It's not
threw
supposed
up
to
a
be filet
bunch-
mignon, okay?
but it looks like a person like threw up like a bunch.
You know, you can either have it or we can throw it in the trash. Your call. I want to see this cornbread stuff. It looks delicious. Well, that's cooking. Check this one out. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh
What is
god.
it?
Oh, it's like
Here, wait here. Open it up.
Where'd y'all get that stuff from?
it's
Oh
like
my
it's
God.
buttered. It's buttered cornbread. On second thought, I guess I don't really want.
Mmm, that sounds delicious.
It looks very delicious and
Yeah,
tantalizing.
when it's all you got and you're out in the middle of nowhere.
Oh god. Yeah, this is like, oh god.
Where'd y'all get these?
From
We
my
found
house.
it in the back of his like music room or whatever. See, this is going in the garbage. That's the only thing that needs to go in the garbage.
Here, take a shot.
Oh my gosh!
Go,
I'm
go,
trying to
go.
make
Do
a
it,
video.
do it.
Shot, 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 shot. Yeah!
I'm trying to make a video.
We are
One
so getting wasted
Benadryl.
tonight.
It's only Benadryl.
I'm trying to make it. Can you stop washing your head? Stop washing that in here. We're trying to.
It's Benadryl.
Children's Benadryl at that.
Oh, Mom, I'm trying to make a video. Go!
What, dude?
Take a snap videos.
Dude.
Just, you're right. The video. Gosh.
You're ruining my life.
Stop it.
I gave you life.
Please don't bring me back to that. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
This is just awful. I guess we can try the fig bar. It looks like the most tastiest one out of all of them. Yeah, kind of fig Newton. Shut up. Watch this be all juicy and buttery.
Eat it, eat it. I want to see you eat it.
I am gonna eat it.
Ah.
I guess I give that 4 out of 15. That was awful. Oh. Oh god.
Oh my god. That was
Crackers. God dang, they're freaking humongous. These guys have more crackers taking his ass. Hey dude, it's gonna be. I'm cutting the cracker! Oh my god. Oh gosh, these are like dehydrated crackers.
Yeah, that's real healthy. I'm so starving. Here, have this dehydrated
really?
cracker.
Oh, and it just breaks
Like,
like nothing.
oh my god. These are disgusting.
Let's try them strawberry jam. Oh yeah, the strawberry jam. That's gonna be even worse.
Dude, that's gonna be all like rotten.
Ugh. I have to do. Oh god!
Make a sandwich.
Okay, ready? Ugh. Oh god. Just
Wait, try the coffee. That
Oh.
sounds so scrumptious.
I need boiling water.
Well,
Why would it be so difficult?
where in Siberia am I gonna find boiling water? I'm trying to survive.
I guess we're not gonna try the coffee. I just will just lick it. I'll pour
Lick it.
Just
Lick it.
To enjoy
Lick
you
it.
guys,
Lick
I
it.
shall.
Lick it.
Mom, no! Get,
Lick it.
yeah, we are busy.
What's really going on in here?
Mom, yeah!
Lick it.
I'm trying to do something here.
He's trying to snort coffee ground.
You better not.
No, I'm not gonna snort it. Mom, yeah!
Yes, he
I'm
is.
trying to make a video. Oh my god.
Cut!
No! Oh my god.
Lick it.
Actually, oh god, never mind. You had a good first date. Though. Oh god. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah, that's awful. That is just.
I gotta go pee. Hold the camera.
Gotta go pee, gotta go pee.
Oh my gosh. What?
What did you do?
I licked it. Okay.
Coffee?
Yes, I licked the coffee. Okay, I guess pulling out these by myself. It's all ready to cook. Yeah, it feels really cold. Oh my gosh. Ah, it hurts. Yeah, it. Oh, the steam coming out. Can't probably see it though. There's lots of steam. Oh, there we go. There's lots of steam coming out. You can't see it. Okay, I guess I'll just pull it out here. Yeah, this is still cold. What are you doing?
Yummy.
Are you gonna? Oh my gosh, gonna snort that or lick it.
It does have a good first taste, but afterwards
I like that the dog bowl's in there. Drink out of that. Well, you have your pizza, and I guess I'll cut this short. Well, no, what? Let's cook it in the microwave. Forget it. This is turned into a big disaster.
oh my god, dude. That is some gross shit.
Let's just take another bite. Oh, there's some coffee grounds in it. Oh God.
Oh,
I really want to eat this, but this is just turned into a disaster.
do it. Eat it. I wanna see you eat it.
It's all cold and stuff, but I guess I'll find the warmest spot and I'll cut it out.
Well, good luck with that. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Go eat it. Eat it.
It's actually not half bad, besides it's cold. Eat this side's warmer. Oh yeah, this looks even worse.
Look. Oh my god.
I'm gonna eat the whole thing. I'm gonna do it.
I'm gonna do it, guys.
I just gotta do it quick. I'll even give you salt and pepper. I don't think that's really gonna help us.
Oh. That is gross. Dude, those are like 2 years old.
I know. They're gonna take one last bite. Oh. No, God.